So this is your first station. So mo ni siya ang left, mo ni siya ang middle. This is the right point. So from your MSL, kani mo na inyong profile sa inyong first station. Let's say, mo na siya inyong nakita sa inyong first station no, based sa stationing or the elevation. So if this is your mean sea level, let's say ang reading na to is puro positive elevation. So 1.2, mo na siya sa left, niya sa middle, let's say 1.4 plus 1.4, and then sa right, we have plus 1.1. Okay, so those are your following elevations. Okay, elevations, distance from center. So from center, okay, distance from center, kung pila to inyuhang, by the way, kung pila to inyuhang, kung ano, for example, ang distance ninyo sa middle, let's say this is your middle line, elevations ni siya here, kani siya elevations, kani diri sa ubos, you versus that with the distance sa center. So your middle is your 0 point, let's say sa inyong right, nag-measure man mo sa width sa road, this width here, middle to kaning right. So kana nga width, let's say ha, example lang ni 5 meters to inyong na measure, and then to the left 4.5 to inyong na measure. Okay? So with that, no, mag-propose ta og road. This is how it's gonna be, no? So for example, if this is your original road, no, mo ni siya inyong original road, we are going to propose a road that is, di ba, pa-curve to inyong road, no? Paana inyong road. So we are going to propose a horizontal road. So with that, natay gitawag na cut and fill. So this is just an example, but by the way, sa TC na propose naman na road, this is just an example of doing road profile and mass diagram. So in this case, ang original width ninyo, let's say, kato inyong na-measure from the middle or from the center, kay 5 meters baron diri, kani siya 5 meters ni siya, and then let's say this is 4.5, we are going to propose a road which is a straight road, no? Atong i-propose ang road which is a straight road, and then from there mag-propose tag width sa road. So our width sa road is we will propose a width sa road nga tag 6 meter. So this is how it's gonna be. Like let's say atong i-propose nga tag 6 meter lang yun ang width sa road. So this is the new width sa road. So this is 3 meter, and then this is also 3 meters. So by the way, we are doing this because like sa original plan gyud wala pa na, bare pa na atong road. We are translating the vertical kaning road profile na to nga pa kuano kaning pataas paubos, we are translating this into horizontal road, which is kani siya here, we are going to cut this side and then fill it here. Okay? So atong gitranslate, so balig ang atong road, this is the side view ha. This is the side view. We are proposing horizontal road with the width which is equal to 3 meter. So once you have this, okay? So mo na ni siya inyong, let's say mo na ni siya inyong road profile, no? Ana na siya. Mo na ni siya inyong bag-ong road tag 3 meter. Okay? So tag 3 meter na nga distance from the center. So naamoy center diha. 3 meter here, 3 meter also here, and then pareha ra gihapon ang elevation, okay, from the mean sea level. So 1.1 meter, and then here, let's say this is 1.2, okay, 1.2. Okay, so mo na siya ang inyong elevations niya sa middle. 1.4 man to inyong nakuha no nga elevation. Let's say that is just an example. So meaning in this case, sa road profile, you're gonna get the area of your proposed road. Okay? So magkuha mog area ani niya. So that means that you're going to divide this part of the road into how many triangles? Probably one. Yeah. Kadiri no. So you have you have 1, 2, 3, and then 4 triangles. So dividing that, you can get an area of your proposed road. So, inyo nang kwaon ng area, let's just say, to get this area total, o na ninyo, so we have 1/2 3 inyuhang new nga width, 1/2 base times height. So that's 1.1 plus ang number 2 we have plus still 1/2 gihapon times 1.4 ang height. Unya ang iyahang we have here base gyud original base niya, di ba? If you're gonna refer it to 1/2 base times height sa triangle, so mo man siya ang original road nimo no. The 3 meters is your proposed road width. So the total here, di ba, is originally 5 man to no ang total and then 4.5. So i-apply na sa yung formula. Okay, so di ba 1.4 and then the base is 5.
Turn around
Okay,
right
that's
now
for
and see
the katong ikaduha and then plus 1/2. Okay, 1/2 and then 1.4 gihapon. And then we have the width, which is 4.5. Okay, and then plus the last one, kaning number 4, 1/2 base times height. So 3, and then the height itself, which is 1.2. So nakakuha mong profile or nakakuha mong width of that road. So another example, I'm gonna give you another example again para makakuha mo no sa width. Let's say, sa stationing, sa ikaduha nga station, let's say ha, sa station, I'm gonna give you another kuana sad para you can get the just out of road profile and mass diagram. So let's say sa station 0 plus 010 na amo ani no 1.5 as the height o 5 iyahang total with 1.2 gihapon 0 and then 1.4 and then we have 4. Okay? So with that, pag-plot din nyo ana, no? So let's just say, mo ni siya inyong plotting, taas na sa diri nga part, na siya, okay? Yan, ubos siya diri nga may nga part, niya ubos man ang middle, so ni down, then up. Okay? So this is your 1.4 diri. So 1.4 and then 3 which is the proposed road pero ang total yun nga distance ana niya from kato inyong gikuha. So we have this is let's say 4 meters example lang sad ni. Okay? So kato inyo hang gikuha na with we have diri we have 5 meters. So 3 meters. So let's say this is kato 1.2 based from that data and then this is 1.5 here. Okay, so sample lang na siya. 1.5. Okay? So if you're gonna get the area of that station, so ibutang here. So the area total for that station is inyo nang i-divide into, again, triangles na sad. Triangle lang, area ninyo. So maybe this would be your 1, onya 2, onya we have here 3 ni siya. Okay, so we have here 3 and then 4. So ang area total is just 1/2 base times height. 1/2 base is 3, height is 1.4 plus 1/2 again. We have 1.2 height niya ang base we have total is 4 and then plus so we have 1/2 then 3 times 1.5 okay and then lastly we have 1/2 base times height lang good 1/2 and then we have 5 so that's the area total of this other station. So what you will be doing is maglahi-lahi man ano siya no kay when we have say okay So for example, in this case, naa kay road. So if you have a road, and then mo na imong proposed road, the horizontal, so this is your original road nga pataas ba ron or paubos. So this is your proposed road. Yeah, 100 meter from the mean sea level kada station. Okay? So mo ni siya imuhang mga negative profile. Yeah, here we have mga positive profile. So like positive, let's say this is katong sa 1.5 dapit, 1.5, let's say 3 banon diri. So this is 5, 5 ang height. So from your 100 meter, this is your 101.5, let's say 103, and then 105. So what we are doing here, based from katong atong gikuha, no, we are going cut this here and then fill it on this negative road profiling. Okay? So, mo na siya atong buhaton sa road profile and then mass diagram. So, you will have a graph later on. Okay? So, mag-graph mo later on. So, your graph will look like, we have here the stations, and then the elevation. So stations og elevation. So this is how your graph looks ingana no. So for example sa inyohang right, okay, sa inyohang right, mao ba ni siya depende no sa inyohang nakuha nga data, and then sa middle nga profile, and then we have the left nga profile. So that's your graph. Now again, atong gi-propose na with sa road width, remember nga atong gi-propose nga width is 6 meters. Okay, just follow that and then follow the from the mean sea level 100 meter. Okay? So maura na siya, magkalailahi na sila no kay sometimes it depends on the elevations. Okay? Depende na siya sa elevation. So kung sa triangle again ha, with base times height, ay mo kalimot anang base niya, and then height, the base is always perpendicular. So mo to night times na nga atong road, there would be times nga atong road maingani na no if adto nakasalain nga station kaning diri sa ubos nga part, mo ana na imong road mo bali na siya. Okay? Bali na siya imong road. Let's say, that is an example. So, mga negative ni nga elevation, katong paubos ninyo nga elevation ba. So, what we are going to do is just to cut the road, katong imong paslant na road, ari lang siyang middle nga part, okay? And then, ato lang i-divide, siguro, i-divide lang nato into two para makaibaw ta sa atong i-cut and fill here. So, kana lang. For example, this would be your lowest point. Tungaon lang ninyo ang inyong road, and then you are going to just divide it. Kuha lang ang road profile, okay? And then that would be your katong graph. I-interpret ninyo stations and then elevation. So, mo na inyong road profile. Okay? So, that would be for the road profile. Kuhaan ninyo og mga profile ang kada station. Okay? Kuhaan ninyo profile ang kada station. Alright, so any questions about road profiling? Okay, any questions sa road profile?
Excuse me, Miss Specialist.
Mm.
Um, ang graph lang for the sketch miss or katong gishow nimo na cut and fill miss.
Mo to siya, yung graph lang. Ang graph lang na niya. No, mo man may bawaan man na stations and elevations.
Okay, miss. Thank you.
Okay? So, kuhaan na ninyo og profile ha, ang kada station. So, you're gonna name. Okay? Any questions sa road profile? This is fieldwork 16. Road profile. Kuhaan lang na ninyo profile. And then for the mass diagram, I want you to read the book by Wolf and Gilani. Itaas pa man mong time, I'll give you a deadline. Wolf and Gilani. Kato akong gi-post sa inyohang canvas. I think, di man siguro mo magbasa, no? Of any post sa canvas na po. So, I don't know kay, maybe always one ra man gyud ang magsigig pangutana ba, so mao siguro mo magbasa sad. Okay, for the mass diagram, you're going to get the mass of that road from station to station. Okay? So actually, ang kani road profile and mass diagram, you can do this in one. Mura na siya in one. Nga ang mass diagram lang, okay, the word itself, mass, yeah. Okay? So for example, if you have, let's say, iusa na lang ninyo no ang mass diagram and road profile. Okay, so mo ni siya inyong road nga na-propose. So kwaon to ninyo ang volume sa next station. Let's say this is station 500 up to 5, let's say station 5 plus 000 or 000 para mo to inyong stationing jud 000. Okay, and then andili, we have station 0 plus 100. Okay, so kuhaan na ninyo, we call this as its mass. Okay, so naamo ana nga road profile baron. Okay, so dili din niya siya. For a while ha, ato sa ikuan. So, naamo ani nga profile sa inyong road, kuan na ninyo mass, no? So, for example, if you have the area, you're gonna get the, kuan na lang, volume, no? Please get the volume of the station to station. So, sa inyong mass diagram, kuan na ninyo. Pero actually, what I am talking here is a combination of road profile and mass diagram. Okay? Kay what you did is katong pag-profile pa man no, sa mga road, and then combination na nato ang mass diagram, you're gonna get the volume of per station. So paano ninyo og volume? So how to do that is by prism, di ba? Prism. Paano? We have that in the book Jelani. So paano ninyo og volume? So since you are done with the area, so ang equal to area null plus area 2 over 6 multiplied by its length. Okay? So, muna siya inyong, for example, ang area 1 ninyo, this would be, ang area 1 na station, and then ang area middle ninyo, area middle, this is katong-katunga sa 10 meters. So 0, 0, 5 ang katunga, di ba, sa middle, no? And then, ang this would be your last katong sa station nga 10 meter. So this is 0 plus 0, 1, 0. And then, ang length ninyo, of course, ang length, mo na siya ang 10 meters. Kaya 10 meters man ang length, di ba, kada station, right? So kada station, 10 meters man inyong length. So that would be 10 meters ang length. Okay? So, mao na siya ang kung ano, the volume. So in the mass diagram, you are going to get the volume. Okay? So station, all right. I think kana ala no, mao na siya sa mass diagram. Ang volume lang niya. Okay, naka-follow ra tanan. So ready na ang formula. What you're gonna get is just to do the profiling and then also its mass diagram. And then palihog lang ko graph. Okay, graph the stations and then volume. I-graph lang sa dinyo ang station, kada station. So probably you have each station nga interval katong 10 meter, no? Okay, and then you have the volume and then i-graph lang pod ang station versus area. Okay? So ang volume kay kato ng tag 10 meter, and then the station versus area, you're gonna also graph it. Okay? And then also Katong sa road profile, station versus elevation. Okay, i-graph lang sa ninyo. Okay? So, that's for the mass diagram. Kuhaon lang yun ninyo ang volume sa first na kuan. So, this is what we will be doing sa mass diagram. Okay, from the side view of our road, let's say mo na siyang side view, mo na siya, oh, sorry. Okay, so from the side view of our road, this is the one that we are, let's say, kani ang volume inyong nakuha, mo ni siya ang atong mo ni siya ang atong makuha, di ba? Pero later on, naaman sa kay mga positive volume, di ba? So the positive volume, inyo nang i-transfer sa inyong gipang cut, no? So cut and fill na siya. So here, you are going to cut this one, and then you're gonna fill it to the negative volumes. Alright, so since naatay road, horizontal road atong gi-propose, makuha na gyud ni natong horizontal road with the cut ato ning i-cut and then i-fill diri sa negative volume. Okay? So these are positive man ni siya nga part here, no? So ato ning i-cut and then atong i-fill here so that we will have a proposed road nga horizontal road from kani siya nga type of road which is elevated. Okay? Are you following? So that's it for the mass diagram. Ang road profile lang yun to ang explain yun, no? Kay para get the how to get the area of each of the station. Follow? Okay? So, any questions before we end?
Excuse me, miss. Ang
Yes?
kanang atong proposed road kay 6 meters, so 3 meters nga, 3 meters each side. Pero what if
Yes.
na usa ka side nga less than 3
Oh,
meters
dili,
na
propose na siya na to. So, mag-propose ta. Kita'y magbuot. Kay kita may mag-propose.
okay,
Okay?
okay. So, depende sa kada
Yeah.
group.
Yes,
Okay.
tanan group. Ang inyong original width, katong 4 point, let's say, example ba, katong 4.5 and then 5, mo ito inyong width nga nakuha, di ba? That's your original width. Let's say, example lang ni ha, nakuha ninyo diri is 5 meters baron, diri, di ba, we have 4.5, kay gipakuha man ta mo, no? Sa width sa road. Pero mag-propose yun ta, og agianan na to, which is, kato, 6 meters ang atong gi-propose. When I say propose, kita mo'y magbuot sa atong road. Okay? So, atong gi-propose, 6 meters lang kay. I think, inyuhang nakuha na width up to mga 5 meters man siguro, no? Or 6 meters. So, that's why, ang atong i-propose nga road, kanina gid ang atong i-propose. Let's say, ang final road ba, 3 meters niya. 3 meters sa dili. So, kita mo'y nagbuot sa ato ang i-propose na road. Okay? Okay, Ra?
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Sige. Any other questions para you will do this and then I'll give you deadline siguro mga next week. Humahuman ni ninyo this week. Wala naman tayo, we don't have any field works na, so you can do this on Monday and Wednesday. So, basin Thursday akong ipasubmit ninyo, no? I'll ask you to submit this on Thursday next week. So, isubmit lang per group. Yeah, you can submit it morning sa department kung naalay makasubmit ninyo. Or pwede na sa before Thursday. It's up to you kung mahuman dayon ninyo. So, if you can finish this, you can submit. Basta ang final deadline will be for the physical copy would be next week, Thursday. Okay? So, other questions? Wala ray questions? So I'll give, ako lang itong ihatag na presentation siguro sa inyong class representative. Yes, Raywell.
Question, miss. Will we still have physical classes next week, miss?
Wala na. Kato akong giingon ba? Wala na.
Okay, miss. Thank you.
Okay, wala na tayo kuan kay defense naman good. So that's what I